Today we're diving into a super important topic: how to recover your Snapchat account if you've been locked out or forgotten your password. Whether you've misplaced your login credentials or just need a little help getting back into your account, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's walk through the steps. First, you'll need to open up your web browser. This can be on your phone, laptop, or tablet, whichever you prefer. Once you're online, go ahead and search for support, Snapchat.com. This is Snapchat's official support page where you can find help for a variety of issues. Once you've pulled up the website, look for the option that says Contact Us and click on that. Now, you'll be presented with several options, but since we're focusing on account recovery, click on the option that says I can't access my account. This is going to take you to a new section where Snapchat will ask you to describe the problem you're facing. Under the Tell Us More section, you'll see a list of problems people commonly run into, and from there, you'll want to select I forgot my password. If this happens to be the reason you can't log in, this is the right place to be. At this point, Snapchat will ask if you need help with something else. You'll want to tap on Yes. This is where you get the chance to fill in some of your details and let Snapchat know the specifics of your problem. You'll need to provide some basic information like your username, email address, and mobile number. Don't forget to include your country code. This is crucial because Snapchat needs these details to verify your identity and link you back to your account. Now comes the most important part. Snapchat will ask you for additional information about your account. This is where you'll explain that you've forgotten your password and that you didn't link your mobile number or email ID, which is why you're unable to reset your password through traditional means. In this message, kindly ask them to help you recover your account. Once you've written your message, hit the Send button. After this, Snapchat's support team will review your request and get back to you. It may take a little bit of time, but don't worry, you should hear back from them soon, and they'll guide you through the recovery process. That's it. You've successfully requested Snapchat support to help you recover your account. Make sure to keep an eye on your email or phone for any responses or additional instructions from Snapchat's support team. Hopefully, you'll be back on Snapchat in no time. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.